remains crucial for really population sustained development. As the third high-level partnership, as well as the security architecture, let me underline through integration. Somalia is on the path to recovery, and your continued interest with the participation of 54 nations and a dozen of international organizations is indeed very much encouraging. The federal government of Somalia's commitment to the journeys ahead. I say that
we are now very close to the end of our meeting.
you can know the Somali people are counted on the federal government.
Askeri araçlar barış ve güvenliğin tesisindeki yegane unsurlar değildir. Ekonomik faaliyetlerin canlandırılması ve güçlendirilmesi de hayati önem taşıyor. Aynı zamanda gençler ve kadınlar için iş imkanları oluşturulması da elzemdir. Bu hedeflere ulaşılması hiç şüphesiz yetkin, hesap verebilir, demokratik devlet kurumlarının, ayrıca hukukun üstünlüğüne dayanan bir devlet yapısının mevcudiyetiyle mümkün olabilecektir.
We believe strongly that Somalia will ultimately achieve peace and stability, lasting peace and stability, only and when the Somalis themselves take into their hands the responsibility of securing their country. Fighting Al-Shabaab, defeating Al-Shabaab in Somalia or elsewhere, it's as important as defeating pirates in the Indian Ocean who threaten normal trade of many countries. Fighting and defeating Al-Shabaab is preparing conditions not only for Somalia to rise up to its former glory, but also protecting the rest of the region against instability, destabilization, which runs against the possibility of development.
The achievement and the challenge that joined us there are here today. When we met in Brussels.
Somali diğer konularla birlikte terörle mücadelede de desteğe ihtiyacı olan bir ülkedir. Bu bakımdan Somali'de olumlu mecrada kaydedilen ilerlemelere hep beraber sahip çıkmalıyız. Zira Somali'nin istikrarı sadece bu ülke için değil, tüm bölge ve kıta için hayati önem taşımaktadır. Somali'nin bugün geldiği yer 5 yıl önce hayal dahi edilemiyordu. Daha güzel, daha huzurlu, daha aydınlık günlerin Somali'yi beklediğine inanıyoruz. Bu zorlu süreçte ve takip eden dönemde Somalili kardeşlerimizi yalnız bırakmayacağımızı bir kez daha vurgulamak istiyorum.
Bu desteği sağlarken daha iyi nasıl işbirliği yapabiliriz?
Government, we have recovered most of Somalia from Al-Shabaab.
Within 3 years of my government, we have recovered most of Somalia from Al-Shabaab. We are the only country in the world who has been so successful in defeating extremism in its own soil. We've begun the process of troop integration and the formation of a functioning Somali National Army with a national character.
Excellencies, ministers, members of parliament, delegates, an unwavering commitment for this noble cause, for the resilience of our people and leadership, and march until we fulfill the common aspirations we share.
In view of the recent and continuing attacks on AMISOM by Al-Shabaab, it has reinforced our long-led view that the terrorist group may be down, but it is not certainly out. In this regard, it has not been lost to us that we need to constantly and persistently be adapting AMISOM operational modalities to respond to the asymmetric, insurgent type of conflicts that it is being waged by Al-Shabaab.
Oh, really?